I hope I didn't scare you. I just thought this was something festive. Happy October, everyone. My name is Vincent. I'm with Vincent Experts Real Estate Group, and I have this amazing and beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhome located in the heart of Sullivan Station. Can't wait for you to see it. And one of my favorite places in this townhome is this massive patio and backyard. Great area to entertain your guests or to have your kids play around. And before we end this tour, the best part about this property, you're close to all of this. Remember, as I always said, buying a property location is most important. Again, my name is Vincent Lim. I'm with Vincent Experts Real Estate Group, and I'll be waiting for your call.